Hello and welcome to my new video, which is based on the formula and solution for any algebraic equation of order more than 1. That means it may be quadratic equation of degree 2, it may be the cubic equation of degree 3. So let us take an example, and it is based on the bisection method. In bisection method, you have to take two values. One have to be positive and one have to be negative. So they should comprise of opposite signs. One is positive and one is negative. So your resultant number, for which you have to find out the function, is a plus b by 2. Let's take a look. Let us suppose your fx is 0 and your solutions are a and b. You have to choose those values for which one is positive and the value of function is for one is positive and other one is for negative, and if they comprise of opposite signs, then the formula is a plus b by 2. Let's take a look over a scenario. You have this equation of degree 5. So now if you take f1 and f2, you will see that they carry opposite signs. So what you have to do? You have to take first value as 1 as a and second value as b. So your formula is a plus b by 2. You got 1.5. Next, f of 1.5. This is your x2. F of 1.5 is x raised to power 5. That means 1.5 raised to power 5 minus 2. 1.5 raised to power 2 minus 3. This is your positive value. Again, you have to take this value and a negative value. Negative value is f1. So these are your two values for functions. Your a becomes 1 and b becomes 1.5. Again find out value a plus b by 2, 1.25. Now again find the value for function of this. F of 1.25, this is negative. So you have to pair it up with a positive number. Your positive value is 1.5. So you have to take 1.25 and 1.5. So your a is 1.25 and your b is 1.5 by 2. This is your value. And if you find out the value of function for this, you will get negative sign. That means again you have to pair it up with a positive number. Your positive value again is 1.5 till now. So your a is this value and b is 1.5. Again find out a plus b by 2. This is your positive number, and again you have, if you want to pair it up, then with which you have to pair it up? With a, this is a positive. When you put function value of it into the function, you got minus. That means you have to pair it up with a positive, and again positive is 1.5. So if you find out a plus b by 2, it's again positive. If two simultaneous signs occur, then that is your last value, and your last real value solution for this equation is 1.46875. So I hope you understand. Rest of the topic we'll discuss in our next class. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you.